is up, beauty girls and service squad? It's most time of the beauty day, beauty time, and today I'm doing a review on 5 and Below slimes. Well, these are slimes that I saw on YouTube, and I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. So I'm gonna tell y'all if they worth buying or not. I got 4 of these slimes, okay, guys? Well, 4 slimes. So I got this one. It's a milkshake one. Just so y'all know, it's really dinner in. But it also come with foam beads and then this little puff ball, and then that's when a little straw. So yeah, these ones is really popular on YouTube. It's this one. It's scented. I put back the watermelon watermelon one, y'all. But if y'all want me to do some more, then tell me which ones y'all want me to do. And this is all I got. I'm doing the slimes first and my mukbang last, or I might just make another video on the mukbang because I don't think slime go with mukbanging. So these are the 4 that I got, guys. And first I'm gonna start with the no, I'm gonna do this one last because this got foam beads and stuff in it. And yeah, since they all in line like this, I'm gonna start like with this one. So this one is going to go. I don't know why I keep on talking like this, y'all. Like my lip, I just feel like letting it loose. So it's this one. It's scented. All of them is scented except for this one, I think.
So,
but
these yours, Mama?
Yes.
What do you want? What do you want the box? In your room?
Yeah.
You taking these other ones up there?
Which ones?
These totes.
No, that's King.
Okay, I don't know, but I think these come with foam what's them called? Cubes, jelly cubes. So, so it also have its own container, so that's good. And a little lid so nothing gets out or nothing. And it comes with this. And this.
Come in, Ma, with your shoes. Boots.
And open.
Long boots with
okay, so I don't really know the texture yet.
Thing on the side of it. No, ma'am. Wait.
Oh, it got jelly cubes in it, guys.
Your black patent leather boots? Well, bring them in.
Oh, it's kind of hard getting it up, guys, because you gotta actually dig your hand in there and actually grab it out.
Smell. Come in.
Guys, there's pom-poms in here, jelly cubes. The pom-poms have little smearing things, as you can see right here. That actually do smell good, guys. It do smell like mango. It does say fun scent on it, on the front. Yeah, I'm trying to get the rest of the slime and pom-poms out. Come on. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm trying to get this. Okay. So there is this much that come in the. Oh, that is nice. Oh, God. This is so nice, y'all. It's so nice and soft and stretchy. But don't stretch it real fast because this will happen. So don't go, because you know that's not going to work. But it is really good. This is some really good slime. Comment below. It got jelly cubes in it, so this is a jelly cube slime. It smells very good. I think it's worth the $5. I want to smush a jelly cube. Jelly cube? Ooh, that feels so nice. Why does it feel so nice and satisfying to smush a jelly cube? Well, guys, that's very nice. Alright, shh. Do the ASMR. Guys, my phone is on 5, so I gotta get this going. But yeah, that's this one. Oh my goodness, it's hard to put back in the container. I'm like rolling it up. As y'all can see there. But yeah, this is actually some very nice good slime. I really like it. And it do smell good. Let's go on to the next one. I might do this one. This one is very berry cheesecake. So it's very nice. Yeah. Oh, this time it came off with it. Ew. It smelled good from one side, but at the same time it smelled like fart. Or butt. I don't know if I like this one. Ooh, but the texture is very nice. Let's take this out. So it does look like, oh, okay, so look. It does look like it does look separated. But is that because it's cheesecake? Because, you know, cheesecake is separated. It's not all together. But this is slime, not cheesecake. But it is named cheesecake, so, yeah. I wonder how the end product going to be. I wonder if it's going to, like, if after it's sit out, is it going to go back? Again, it's hard to get out the container. Yeah, but I'm not like in the scent of this. It's very butt smelly. Like, ew, that smell nasty. Like, the background scent is good. The front scent is so nasty. But it is very poppy. So look. Ew, so nasty. The scent is so nasty. Ew. Yeah, let's put this back in because my phone's ready to die anyway. Yeah, let's put this one back. Like, I don't even care if some fall out. Like, it's so nasty smelling. Like, it's not really strong, but if you have it out, then you can smell it. I hope this one don't smell bad. So this one is Piece of Cake. It's fun scented too, or piece of cake. Come on, please come off with it. Please come off with it. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna make a second video after I charge my phone with these ones and the other ones. Well, in the other one. So, see y'all later, baby girls. Peace.